might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Who doesn't love a good mac and cheese? That golden, bubbling dish of gooey goodness has been a comfort food classic for generations. But what if there was a way to take this beloved dish and elevate it to new, mouth-watering heights? Today, we're doing just that. Imagine a macaroni and cheese that's not just creamy, but decadently so. One that doesn't just satisfy your cheese cravings, but indulges them with a trio of cheeses for maximum flavor. This isn't just any mac and cheese recipe. This is the ultimate mac and cheese. So what's the secret to this cheesy masterpiece? It all starts with the ingredients. Elbow macaroni, a mix of sharp cheddar, Monterey Jack, and Parmesan cheeses, butter, flour, milk, and your favorite spices. For the best flavor, opt for a mix of cheeses, and don't be shy with the seasonings. First up, cook your pasta according to the package instructions. Drain it well, and toss it with a little olive oil to prevent sticking. Now it's time to create the star of the show, the cheese sauce. Begin by melting butter in a pot, then add flour, and whisk until it forms a smooth roux. This is the base of your sauce. Next, gradually whisk in the milk and bring it to a gentle simmer. Allow it to thicken, but be careful not to let it boil. You wouldn't want your sauce to get grainy. Once your sauce has thickened, take the pot off the heat and add your cheeses in handfuls, stirring until you have a smooth, creamy sauce that's just begging to be poured over pasta. Now, combine your sauce with the cooked pasta, making sure every noodle is beautifully coated in that cheesy goodness. But why stop there? If you're a fan of a crispy top, transfer your mac and cheese to a baking dish, sprinkle with a mix of breadcrumbs and extra cheese, and bake it until it's golden brown and bubbly. And there you have it, the ultimate mac and cheese. Creamy, cheesy, and absolutely delicious. This is comfort food at its finest, a dish that's sure to impress at any gathering, and a recipe that you'll find yourself returning to time and time again. So, why not give it a try? You might just find that this becomes your new go-to mac and cheese recipe. And remember, the joy of cooking is in the experimentation. So feel free to mix up the cheeses, add in some extra spices, or even throw in some cooked bacon or veggies to make it your own. Thank you for joining me on this cheesy adventure. Until next time, keep cooking, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep enjoying the delicious results.